Hey guys, I know I've been kind of MIA this summer, but I have a very good reason. I'm so excited to share with you that I have revamped my best-selling course, Final Cut Rockstar, and I'm so excited to relaunch this course. But that's not the only big news that I have. I've also been working on Final Cut Rockstar Next Level, a more advanced course for you more advanced editors. Final Cut Rockstar is a fantastic course for anyone just starting to learn to edit, or is really like doing the whole YouTube thing where you're looking scattershot at YouTube tutorials and trying to piece together how to work Final Cut Pro. Final Cut Rockstar is a systematic course that starts at the very beginning. I give you all of the media, and together we build a video project step by step by step. We're making this YouTube style cooking video together in Final Cut Rockstar. Now, don't worry. If you've already enrolled in Final Cut Rockstar, check your email because we sent you a promo code to get the new version of Final Cut Rockstar for free. So many people have snapped up Final Cut Rockstar and leave me the best reviews, but I have to tell you something. I think this new version of Final Cut Rockstar is even better. I'm in love with it. Let's talk about Final Cut Rockstar Next Level. If you look around the Final Cut UI and there's so many like deep menus and buttons you're afraid to push, you're not going to be afraid anymore. We're taking a deep dive into all of the features that Final Cut can do that you didn't even know about. We're talking about advanced timeline navigation, advanced color correction. We're gonna dive deep into audio editing. I mean, we're really getting into the nitty-gritty with Final Cut Rockstar Next Level. Both of these courses are on sale right now at JennJager.com for a limited time only, and I'm so excited to launch them that I put Motion Launchpad and Agency Kickstart on sale as well. So if you've been eyeballing either of those other courses, now is the time to snap them up. Plus, I put together a whole bunch of like bundle deals and stuff. Like, there's a lot to see. Just go to JennJager.com. You guys, thanks for all your support here on YouTube. I promise I'm going to get back to the YouTube grind. I'll see you soon.